Hi, welcome to TunesKit. Is your iPhone heating up too much? Don't worry, today's video will show you some effective fixes to cool it down fast. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is close background apps. Too many apps will overload the processor and generate excessive heat, so remove all the apps running in the background. Fix 2. Force restart your iPhone. If your iPhone suddenly starts overheating, a force restart can help stop background system glitches and refresh the system immediately. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then press and release the volume down button, then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Fix 3. Disable background app refresh. Background app refresh allows apps to update content even when you're not using them, which can cause your iPhone to overheat without you noticing. Go to General, Background App Refresh, tap Background App Refresh, select Off, or choose Wi-Fi only. You can also disable it for individual apps that don't need to run in the background. Turning this off reduces background activity, saves battery life, and helps keep your iPhone cool. Fix 4. Reset all settings. This quick reset often resolves background issues that may be stressing your system. Step 1. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap General. Swipe to the bottom and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then choose Reset all settings. Step 2. Enter your device passcode when prompted. Confirm your choice. Your iPhone will restart, and all system settings, such as Wi-Fi networks, Bluetooth connections, will return to their factory defaults. If the problem continues, a system repair tool can help fix underlying iOS issues without data loss. TunesKit iOS System Recovery is the best choice. This tool can repair system glitches, iOS update bugs, performance, and overheating issues. Always make sure to back up your data before making system-level changes. Connect your iPhone to PC, then click iOS System Repair. Choose Standard Repair Mode. This mode will not cause any data loss. Wait for a while until the process is complete, and your iPhone will run cooler and more efficiently without the previous overheating issues. Your personal data, apps, and settings will all be intact. Fix 6. Free up storage space. A nearly full storage can also make your iPhone overheating. Delete unused apps, clear large media files, or back them up to iCloud. Okay, that's all. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. See you in the next video.